Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get angel wings on Dress to Impress with no VIP at all. You do need adjustments for this though, like accessory adjustments, but the rest is completely free. And I think it's a little bit better than just putting the fairy wings, so let's get started with the video. If you want, you can add this tail, so I'm just going to do that real quick in the only tail toggle. Then for the actual wings, we're going to use this. If you like the wings to be bigger, you do need to use it in free play, but if you want to make it just the same, just go to rotate, go to the X rotation and rotate it this way. Then you're going to scale it all the way up until it looks something like this. And you can stop here, but you can also save it and make the wings a little bit bigger if you want to. And you can also opt out of the tail if you don't want it to extend. Maybe you just want it to look like this, but I want the tail, so let's put that back on. Again, if you want to make it bigger, I'm just going to save this outfit first. Let me just delete this one, wear it again, grab the wings here and scale it up again, and you'll have bigger wings. It only works in free play mode though if you really want the bigger wings, but this is a free item, so yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.